Do you want to learn a new skill and earn at the same time? Or you've been frustrated all through the month and you want to earn something significant before the end of the year? This video is for you. Only you can watch to the end. I want to tell you about a system or a program where you can learn a digital marketing skills and earn at the same time. People like you and I have been doing this and they continue to earn on a monthly basis. And this has changed a lot of lives. People who doesn't even have an idea of how digital marketing works, or how content creation or copywriting or creating digital products, how they work, are now making a living in digital marketing business. So in this video, I'll reveal to you all you need to know about this program and how you can start today and probably start earning tomorrow or the next day. So let's get into the details of the video. So I'm talking about getting program that you can start and learn different type of skills. This is not the typical program where you only just have a course or a particular or one skill to learn. Here you can learn multiple skills, or you can start from learning one skill and start developing that until you get to a level where you can start diversifying. In this program, you have different type of skills to learn, different type of businesses to learn, to understand, to make money for yourself. So it's not limited to just one skill or one program or even one course or one knowledge or one business, but it has a lot of things for you to learn to create your personal brand or to start any of those businesses. And also, even if you want to just learn some skills and then you want to probably go into digital marketing business or agency, you can learn those skills in this program and transfer those skills into other businesses. So for instance, if you want to create your own personal brand, you need to learn some skills about maybe content creation, some skills about how you can make how you can write copies, or how you can put yourself out there, how you can present yourself out there. All these things are being provided in this program. Also, you can learn how to start creating content if that is what you want to do. So we'll go into the full details of this program in a bit. So it's a program that is hosted on school.com, and if you get into the program, you start by introducing yourself, or if you don't want to introduce yourself, but there are a lot of programs that you can start to learn. So the first thing here is you start to learn how to launch your business. So we call this program Digital Boss Academy program. Digital Boss Academy program. It has volume 1 and volume 2. So how to launch your business, we give you some introduction to how you can start your business depending on what you want to do. If you want to promote, or you want to start marketing some digital products such as courses, such as ebooks, you can start doing that. And then you have some rights to not just sell other people's products. You can sell other people's products, and then you can also create your own if you want to go that route. So the next one is how to set up your online store. So this is gonna help you, or walk you through how you can set up your online store, maybe on Beacon or on other platforms that you can provide, or you can put in your products on, your digital products that you either create or you want to resell. You have a resale right for, and then you can put them on that store and start promoting them and start selling and start making money for yourself. So, and in this program, they're going to provide you a lot of master resale right digital products. So what do I mean by that? So it means that there are a lot of digital products like ebooks, courses that you can either rebrand yourself or you can sell as it is. You have that right to resell those products yourself. So, and whatever you make is 100%. Whatever you make from reselling those products, you have 100% to yourself. It's not any commission based. So again, it is not commission based. It is 100%. So if a product is being sold for, let's say, $100, the $100 is yours. It's not like other programs or affiliate marketing where you earn maybe 25% or 30% or 50% off what you make from the sale of that product. Setting up your store, that will help you to set up all your stores. Depending on which store you want to use, there are various options there. So the next volume, let me just open this to let you understand what you get if you decide to enroll for this Digital Boss Academy program. So you get training on LinkedIn, Shopify, print on demand. You get training on taxes, finance. Be able to manage your finances as a small business owner. You want to go the route of advertising on social media platforms like Instagram. You want to go the route of insurance, and then you want to learn how to create content that converts. If you're into a business of content creation, or you want to go into content creation, this is very important for you. You need to understand that it's not just about posting content online, but it's about posting the right content, or the content that converts. So the training is also here. If you want to go the route of stocks trading, there's a training on stocks trading. And also, if you want to sell digital product, like as I mentioned earlier, there's a training on how to sell digital products. Also, if you want to use Pinterest to promote your products, there's a training on Pinterest that's very detailed, that's going to walk you through that process. So that's also, if you don't want to show your face on social media, there's a faceless model. You want to go that route, there's a training for you on that. So if you want to become a travel agent, also there's a training for that. If you want to open Etsy shop or TikTok shop, trainings on that. So this is just to walk you through some of the things that you will have, or you will get access to if you come into the Digital Boss Academy program. But let's go back to the previous page now. So also, as applied to any other business, if you want to start any business, the right mindset is very important. In this one, there's a mindset training. So your mindset has to be right, because if you want to do well in this business, your mindset has to be right. So the next one is how to build your brand. I mentioned that earlier. So if you want to build your personal brand, there's a training on this. So this is all encompassing. Whatever you want to think about regarding digital marketing training or skills, it's all here. You have the digital marketing training itself. You have email marketing if you want to. There are a lot of people making money through just via email marketing. If they're able to write a very persuasive copy or persuasive email, and they have a product that they want to promote, they just use the emails to write to write to their audience, and they make a lot of money through that. So if that's what you want to do, the training is also here. So there's a lot of done for you content that you can also make use of. Over 40,000 done for you pieces of content ready to use. So you don't have to also crack your head around where do you want to get content from. You can get content ideas or get content from the done for you content, piece of content that is available in the classroom. And there's a PLR vault, so private label resale, private label right. So this PLR vault has a lot of PLR products that you can resell and make 100% profit. So this is not commission based, this is 100% profit. So the next one is content inspiration. If you don't have an idea about which content you want to create, how you want to create the content inspiration is there for you to help you, to give you inspiration on how to create content. And there's a training on CapCut. CapCut is a software, a video editing software that you can use to edit your videos very well. Next thing is automations. Automation is very important because this is how your business runs 24/7 without you being there. So even if you're still working 9 to 5, you have other things doing, once you have set up automation, everything is automated. You make money any time of the day, regardless of what you are doing at that point in time. So automation is very important. You learn automation, Canva editing. You want to learn about TikTok, you want to learn about Instagram, and to also there's a training on budgeting, which is very important as a business owner. There's a training on Airbnb, there's a training on credit, there's a training on beauty business, affiliate marketing. Also there's a training on getting fit. If you want to get fit, there's a training on that. There's a training on you want to learn multiple languages. There's a training on Spanish, French, and other things you can think of. So this is all encompassing. It has a lot of courses that will help you to be successful in your digital marketing business. So think about different training, different courses that you're going to get in this particular program. So, and the most important is, if you want to go the route of reselling digital products, it is 100%. It is not commission based, and then you can start making money even from the following day that you enroll into this program. So let me just show you some of the testimony of some people who have started making money for themselves. Some as early as within the first 5 days, 10 days, they started making money. So look at this. My first DBA sale, 333. Then you have access to DBA1. So I got my first sale. See another one. I got my first sales. Then next ones, I made 3x sales on my 10th day. I made 3 sales on my 10th day. So these are testimonials of people making money in this community. So you have a community where you can ask a lot of questions. You can find out a lot of things. This is another person that made 4,393 in 4 days. So this is just to tell you about how this business works. So there's a community, a very large community behind this, and you are not alone. So it means that you have a lot of people around that's going to show you the way. If you have questions, if you are confused at the point, or you want to specialize in one aspect of this business, there are people that have already been doing it. So, and there are a lot of trainings or ongoing trainings on that to help people who want to probably go into KDP. There's a KDP training, Kindle Direct Publishing. We want to publish books online on Amazon KDP. There's a training on that. I forgot to mention that there's a training for that as well. So there are people who just specialize in that alone, and if you want to go that route, there's a continuous training on that. People who are doing that particular business continue to train people, continue to help people. So the same applies to every other business on this platform. So this is just to show you a sneak peek of what you're gonna get when you get into the Digital Boss Academy program. So, and then you start to earn as early as the next day, depending on how ready you are, how you quickly implement those things that you need to implement, the training that you need to implement to start earning. So, and the opportunities here are limitless. You can see the number of businesses you can do or you can learn from this program. It's not limited to one, it's more than that. So if you're interested, if you want to join, if you want to start, or you want to find out more about this program, I'll put a link down in the description of this video. There will be a link, the first link in the description of the video, and then that link will take you to a page like this, and it's going to provide you with what you're going to get inside the DBA program. And if you want to start immediately, you can click on get access, and then also you see a lot of testimonials on this page. Frequently asked questions. If you have more questions, you can check frequently asked questions if those questions are being answered. And then also, if you're not ready yet, but you still want a lot of more information, or you want to ask some questions, provide your email here. You want a sneak peek, provide your email here, and then you get a lot of information, more information about this program. So click on the first link in the description of this video, and it will take you to this page, and you click on get access to get in immediately. And if you still want more clarifications or questions, or just provide your email, and this dialog box, want a sneak peek, is at the bottom of the page. Provide your email and click on this and subscribe for sneak peek, and then you provided more information that you require. So this is all I'm going to cover in this video. I'm going to walk through every course in this program. A day is not going to be enough. There's a lot to cover, but what I advise people is start with one, grow that one, and then you can start diversifying. This is very helpful. If you have the opportunity to jump in right now, jump in, because the price might go up anytime soon. Currently it's for $2.99. I'm giving out for $2.99. Anytime from now, the price might change, so it's better you act fast now. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.